So when you open the final project, the Westward expansion final project menu activities for this unit, this is what it should look like. So you have 4 different categories. You have appetizers, entrees, sides, and dessert. You're going to pick one activity from each column. So you're going to pick one appetizer, one entree, one side, one dessert. And so it says over here at the top, it says your meal must add up to $10. So that's one appetizer, one entree, one side, and one dessert equals $10. So how your grade gets figured is that you basically would add a 0 to the end of that. So if you did one successfully from each column, that would be $10, but that would be 100%. So technically the appetizers were 10 points, the entree were 40 points, because generally they're going to be more challenging, the more dollars that they're worth. The side would be 30 points, the dessert would be 20 points. All right, so that is how you're getting your 100 points. So instead of a test for this unit, you're going to be doing activities. And if you want a full 100 points to start out this semester, you have to do one successfully from each column. Now, it explains it in just a little bit for each one of these. However, if you'll notice, if the blue titles are links that give you further explanation. So for example, if you are trying to do the judgment, right? It says create a T-chart. So you click on it and then it's going to open up to this document when you click on it and give you further information about what you have to have, because actually it's not just a T-chart. There's other things that go with it. So please remember that what you see in the gray box is just a general description to give you an idea about what the activity involves, but you will need to then click on the link and then read in a more thorough manner exactly what is required to get all of your points, right? So if you want to make a children's picture book, right, you click on it and then you click on this and it gives you more examples about what it has to have. Letters home, time machine, an illustrated map, things like that. All right, so I just wanted to do a quick little video to give you a rundown about how to use this page once you pull it up, but there is more explanation than just what's in this little gray area. Also, if you'll notice on Canvas, there is a turn-in spot for each one of these items. So once you do it, you either digitally upload it, take a picture of your item if you do it on paper or however you wish to do it, and upload it that way. So it doesn't go in as one big 100-point grade. You will have a column for appetizer, entree, side, and dessert. So technically your 100-point grade gets divided into 4 different grades, but it all adds up to 100 points. I hope that makes sense. Let me know if you have any questions, concerns, email me, and let me know. Thanks.